How about a rat rod to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics? I guess you could kind of say it's a rat rod slash street rod combination. Title is a 1940 Ford pickup. So we're going to go with 1940 Ford pickup rat rod. How does that sound? Clean title. It actually was driven 150 miles to get here. So this is one. It's been out on the road. It can be driven, obviously. Power, 383 stroker, and you can see power brakes, power steering, headers, 4-barrel carb. We'll get into more of that in just a little bit, or if you want to know more about the engine, if you look in the still pictures, and I'll tell you where to see those in just a little bit, there'll actually be a little write-up on the build of the engine, information on the engine build. So I'll tell you that in a little bit. First of all, you can see disc brakes up front. And it actually has disc brakes at all 4 corners, just so you know. Ford straight axle up front. Also has a Ford 9-inch rear end. These things you can always walk around and kind of find something new to check out. The creativity on them is awesome. Definitely conversation pieces, and lots of times an awful lot of fun to drive. All right, the still pictures. So you can see this thing from every angle, undersides, interior, the cargo area, and some stuff that's going on back there you'll see in the still pictures, as well as that information on the engine build. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. So we got Firestone radials up front. It has a little nod to the Days of Thunder movie with the rowdy racer theme to it, as well as good old Cole Trickle. Obviously both fictional characters in the NASCAR movie Days of Thunder. Battery location in this, I guess, Army locker chest, if you will. There's also a musical horn in there, and what else will it play but animal sounds? And we can have a little fun with that in a bit if you'd like. Cow, horse, donkey, take your pick. Fuel cell, as well as airbags, as you can see. Previous owner stated runs those at about 40 PSI, and there is a portable air compressor, also a small one, in that locker. Once again, all those still pics, UniqueClassicCars.com. And if you like street rods or just different vehicles, muscle cars, just into cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Here's a prime example. One of a kind. And these videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online or off our showroom floor. We are going to start this up. Let's hear it run. Jason's going to take it for a drive. There is a Bluetooth speaker in here that I did have working, right up mounted above. Tilt column. Seats appear to be out of a S197 Mustang, rear seats. I mentioned have a little fun with the musical horn, I guess, if you will. There's the horse. How about the cow? Sorry. Sorry, that was the donkey, obviously. Wrong button. How about the cow? Why not, right? All right. When you get in here, you can put the hammer down. That's how you're going to shift. Reverse, neutral, drive. It is a automatic transmission, obviously. It's a TH350, so turbo hydromatic 350. It actually has 7,759 miles since it was built. Fuel gauge down here to the left, oil pressure, obviously odometer, water temp, voltmeter. Has cutouts. This switch is for the exhaust cutouts. Bottom switch here, electric fan, top switch, line lock. Let's fire it up. And again, 383 stroker. So right is open, left is closed. Blue light, fan is on. Kind of the exit midway in the vehicle. So HEI ignition, like aluminum radiator up front, Edelbrock 4-barrel underneath there, again headers. Title is the 1940 Ford. Cool rat rod. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those stow pics and information about the vehicle, the engine build, and some miscellaneous information in with those stow pics on a list. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, but consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Okay, I put this baby in park just for you. Grab the hammer. Put her in 3 for drive. Put the hammer down. That's what it says right there. A very interesting rat rod. A 1940 Ford pickup. Now, I will say there's a little play in the steering, but this is a highly custom, very different vehicle. Lots of fun. You can look at it all day long and find something new and something cool. At the end of the day, turn signal's working. Oil pressure over 60. We're doing 40 miles an hour. It says it feels like maybe we're doing a little less than that. We'll see. Water temperature 185. I have the electric fan on. Our volts are at 14. It runs like $1 million. Idles nicely, starts up right away. Another fun thing. What else? I'll turn those back down so you can hear me. Super fun vehicle to drive. Red tint on the side and rear glass, just to make it look mean. Red seats. Corners nicely. So low center of gravity. You don't get any leaning. What can I say? There's so much custom. Nice column with steering wheel with grooves and tilt. It's just so fun. It gave you a unique angle because you just need to see it. Stereo bar up here, self-contained. pictures of this awesome rat rod at uniqueclassiccars.com.